Hello guys, welcome back. Today I take you through DevOps Wagon. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. What is DevOps? What are the uses of DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development, DV, and IT operations, OPS, to shorten the system's development life cycle while maintaining high quality. It aims at establishing a culture and environment where building, testing, and releasing software can happen rapidly, frequently, and more reliably. DevOps uses a variety of tools and techniques to achieve its goals, including 1. Continuous integration (CI). This is the practice of merging code changes into a central repository frequently, often multiple times a day. This helps to identify and fix bugs early on and to ensure that all changes are compatible with each other. 2. Continuous delivery (CD). This is the practice of automatically deploying code changes to a production environment after they have been merged into the central repository. This helps to ensure that new features and bug fixes are available to users as soon as possible. 3. Automation. DevOps relies heavily on automation to streamline and speed up the software development process. This includes automating tasks such as code builds, testing, and deployments. 4. Collaboration. DevOps teams are highly collaborative with members from both the development and operations teams working together to ensure the success of the project. The benefits of DevOps include 1. Faster software delivery. DevOps can help to shorten the time it takes to deliver new software to market. 1. This can give businesses a competitive advantage. 2. Improved quality. By automating the software development process, DevOps can help to improve the quality of software. 2. This is because the bugs are more likely to be caught and fixed early on, and because changes are more likely to be compatible with each other. 3. Reduced costs. DevOps can help to reduce the costs associated with software development. 3. This is because it can help to shorten the development cycle, improve the quality of software, and reduce the need for manual intervention. DevOps is a valuable tool for businesses that want to improve the speed, quality, and cost effectiveness of their software development process. It can help businesses to stay ahead of the competition and to deliver better products to their customers. Here are some specific uses of DevOps. 1. Releasing new features and bug fixes more quickly. DevOps can help to shorten the time it takes to release new features and bug fixes to production. 1. This can give businesses a competitive advantage by allowing them to quickly respond to customer needs. 2. Improving the quality of software. DevOps can help to improve the quality of software by automating the testing process and by catching bugs early on. 2. This can help to reduce the number of defects in software, which can save businesses time and money. 3. Reducing the cost of software development. DevOps can help to reduce the cost of software development by automating the development process and by reducing the need for manual intervention. 3. This can free up resources that can be used to develop new features or to improve the quality of existing software. Overall, DevOps is a valuable tool for businesses that want to improve the speed, quality, and cost effectiveness of their software development process. It can help businesses to stay ahead of the competition and to deliver better products to their customers. What are the popular tools in DevOps? There are many popular DevOps tools available, but some of the most widely used include 1. Version control tools. These tools help to track changes to code and other assets and to ensure that everyone is working on the same version of the project. 1. Some popular version control tools include Git, Mercurial, and Subversion. 2. Continuous integration (CI) tools. These tools automate the process of building and testing code changes, and they can help to identify and fix bugs early on. Some popular CI tools include Jenkins, Circle CI, and Bamboo. 3. Continuous delivery CD tools. These tools automate the process of deploying code changes to production, and they can help to ensure that new features and bug fixes are available to users as soon as possible. Some popular CD tools include Kubernetes, Docker, and AWS Code Deploy. 4. Configuration management tools. These tools help to manage the configuration of infrastructure such as servers, networks, and databases. Some popular configuration management tools include Puppet, Chef, and Ansible. 5. Monitoring and alerting tools. These tools help to track the performance of applications and infrastructure, and they can help to identify problems early on. Some popular monitoring and alerting tools include Prometheus, Nagios, and New Relic. These are just few of many popular DevOps tools available. The specific tools that are used will vary depending on the specific needs of the organization. Here are some additional popular DevOps tools. 1. Containerization tools. These tools help to package applications and their dependencies into containers which can be easily deployed and managed. Some popular containerization tools include Docker, Kubernetes, and Alexei. 2. Logging and analytics tools. These tools help to collect and analyze logs from applications and infrastructure, which can be used to troubleshoot problems and improve performance. Some popular logging and analytic tools include ELK Stack, Splunk, and Sumo Logic. 3. Security tools. These tools help to protect applications and infrastructure from security threats. Some popular security tools include QualisGuard, Tenable.io, and Nessus. The use of DevOps tools can vary depending on the specific needs of the organization. However, the tools listed above are a good starting point for any organization that is looking to adopt DevOps practices. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.